What's good? What's going on, everybody? How everybody doing, man? How everybody week been? How has everybody been, man? It's your boy Harlem. I'm back again with another video, man. There's gonna be a psychology type of video. There's gonna be a psychology type of video. So what we're gonna be talking about, it's let me go on my notepad. Yeah. What it's what's it like? What it's like trading on your last dollar, how it is trading forex, trading stocks, indices, anything with your last dollar or the last money you have or the only capital you have under your name. There's gonna be a great video. I can feel it, I can see it. So let's just get into it, man, and let's just break it down. I have 5 points. I have 5 points which I did lay out. But to be honest, there's more. There's tons and tons and tons of points which can probably take us like the whole day breaking them down. But we're gonna start with this five because they're part of my experience. Understand? The first one gonna be you feel. The first one gonna be you feel like you're gonna lose all your capital. You feel like you're gonna blow that account because that's the last dollar that you have or the last money that you have under your name. So what I actually mean about you feel like you're gonna lose all your capital, it's like you have you have you have one one shot to shoot at something that you need in life. If you miss if you miss that shot, you lose. You don't get it. You won't get it. You feel me? So with that said, you feel like you will not be disciplined. You will blow your account. You will be impatient. You will doubt yourself. All them type of aspects. You feel like with you having that less money, you feel like it won't grow. It won't be what you feel like it will be or what you desire that account to be. So that tends to like destroy you as a trader, to being like, but this is my last capital. If I miss my shot, I'm out. But it's not really like that, man. The last capital under your name, I believe that like that should be something that should grow confidence in you, grow believe, remove fear, remove doubt, all the aspects all the negativity which we have inside of trading, you boom. So like feeling like you're gonna lose your capital is real. And it's all brought by fear, doubt, being scared, being uncomfortable, being unconfident, all them type of aspects. You feel me? They destroy you, and they just bring some BS into your psychology at the time. So losing your like trading on your last dollar, you're gonna actually feel like you're gonna lose it. You feel me? So the second one will be your look. You're out there looking for the quickest setup to trade. You're out there looking for the shortest or the very like you're out there looking for like the quickest reason that you need to execute a trade. You understand me? So with what I mean, it's like you look for the quickest setup to trade. It's because you know like that's your last dollar. You're trying to grow it by any chance in any way. You feel me? So you tend to be like, if I'm looking maybe for continuation sales on the NAS with a break of structure for continuation to the downside, and price fails to break that very same zone, I will be like, okay, now we're failing to continue bearish. Let me just go bullish. You understand? It's like you're looking for the quickest way to take a trade and to make profit. You understand? Which is in this way, when you feel like you're looking for the quickest setup, just relax, take a step off the charts, just look at what you're doing, which you're not supposed to be doing, fix it, and go back to the charts with a clearer mind. You understand? So looking for the quickest setup to trade will fuck you up, most especially when you're trading on your last dollar. It's because you're trying to grow that account as quick as you can, which is not something that you should rely on, man. With the small, if you're having a small account, man, My advice to you will be like, trade small. Because it's small, trade small. Let the results or let the outcomes be small. They build momentum, they grow the account, and later on in the long run, man, you go and see that like, okay, I was patient with growing my account. It grew from certain amount to this certain amount. You understand? So you don't have to look for the quickest setup, man. Just stick to what you always stick to. When you wake up, when you trade breakouts, wait for a breakout. When it fails to break, you don't trade a fail to break. You only trade a breakout. Then it's no trading day for you. Don't force it because you're trying to grow your account as fast, because that might get you killed. The third one will be you doubt yourself, you doubt your setup, or fear taking trades. Like I spoke of it in the first aspect. You doubt your setups or you fear taking trades because it's the last dollar that you have under your name, man. You will be scared, obviously, man. We human beings, man. They ain't no thing that like professional trader thing out there. They'll be like, just take a trade and accept the risk and accept the loss. Yeah, it is like that, but like, take that trade and accept the risk because it fell straight into your setup. It's your setup that you trade. It's how you trade. So take that risk and take the risk and accept it and move on with life. You understand me? But in this aspect, because that's your last dollar, you're gonna doubt that setup. You're gonna be scared. They're like, okay, I trade breakouts, price just broke up, and you're not fear taking a trade because it's the last dollar under your name. So that might get you killed also, man, because it brings fear, it grows doubt, and it brings negative. It makes you be negative inside your psychology, which is very wrong as a trader. So all I can say is, man, don't doubt your setups, man. If you trade breakouts, take continuation trades at price breaking out. Whether it's a lose, whether it's a win, just go about your day. As long as you know that you did what you were supposed to do, it continued moving the way you wanted it to move, the rest gonna just be history, man. You feel me? So trading on your last dollar might bring fear, might bring doubt. It might make you be scared of taking trades. It might make you doubt your setups. It might make you doubt yourself. And it might let you have negative psychology or negative thoughts inside your brain, which is very wrong. So what I can say, or my advice, it would be like, just take the risk, man. Long as you know that you trade breakouts, take a breakout, continue with your day. Fail to break, don't take a trade. And that way you're growing discipline, you're growing patience, you're growing your confidence, and you're growing the skill that you're working on as a trader. So the third or the fourth, what's it? The fourth one, yeah. The fourth gonna be like, you worry about your bills and your bank account, man. Like, damn, I still experience it, man. You worry about your bills in your bank account. Like, who don't worry about their bills, man? Like, what the fuck are bills, man? Like, what the fuck are bills? So, yeah, when you're trading on your last dollar, you do worry about the bills that you have to pay at the end of the month, and you do worry about your bank account not growing, man. Let's forget about your trading account. You also have a bank account which makes you sustain your daily habits and your daily lifestyle. So you not making profits, or okay, you having a small account, or you trading on your last dollar, you will be scared of losing that money, and at the same time you will want to make money because you're trading on your last dollar and you got bills to pay at the end of the month, and you have a bank account that needs some growing. So that will fuck you up. You feel me? That will bring some type of bad thoughts, man. Like bad thoughts that gonna mix you up, because we human beings, like I say, I always stress about this. We are human beings. Where there's money, man, there's emotions running, man. Like, let's forget about anything. Where there's finance or where there's capital, there's also emotions taking place. Like, there's money. You feel me? So your bills in your bank account, you got bills to pay, you got a bank account to grow. All I can say is, man, if you're trading on your last dollar and you got bills and you also want to grow your bank account, I would say is just forget about one thing. If you got maybe five bills which they stressing you out, cut off three, live two, or cut off two and live three, only depending on how you live your life and how your habits sustain you as a human being. You feel me? So bills are bills. We all have bills. Like me, I do have an internet bill. I do have Zoom bills which I need to pay, trading view bills, clothing bills. We all have bills, man. Bills are bills. We can't run away from that, man. Whoever says they don't got bills to pay, they broke as hell. You feel me? So you don't have to worry about growing your bank account because you have a trading account to grow. That's more like you're giving yourself a bigger task. You want to grow your bank account and you also want to grow your trading account. You're trading on your last dollar inside your trading account. How the fuck are you gonna grow your bank account if that's your last dollar in your trading account? So all I can say is forget about your bank account, focus on your trading account. Once you have something that you're comfortable with, take something out, put in your bank account, take something out, put in your bank account, and just continue living life and living the way you were living until you sustain yourself. So we do have bills, we do have bank accounts to grow. So it is important that like we as traders focus on one thing at a time. You feel me? So yeah, trading on your last dollar can make you worry about your bills and your bank account. So the last one gonna be you worry about your destination and not your journey. This is important. This is most important, man. You worry about your destination, not your journey. So, destination. We all have a start, we have a finish. You feel me? We all have where we start in life, and we all have where we're gonna finish in life. So, in trading, we all focus on big things. Obviously, like we psychologically fit as traders. We have big dreams, big visions, big desires, you feel me? Which they even outside the fucking ceiling or even outside the moon, bro. Like, so when you're trading on your last dollar, you will be more worried about your destination to be like, when am I gonna have a $10,000 account? When am I gonna have $1 million account? When am I gonna have a $50,000 account? Like whatever portion amount, whatever amount that you're comfortable with, what you believe will sustain you as a trader in your trading style, whatever amount that you need, you feel like you won't you're thinking about getting there instead of you enjoying the things that you're going through at that time. Let me repeat this. You worry about you getting to the finish line instead of you enjoying what you experience. Instead of you moving through these hurdles, jumping these hurdles, overcoming these obstacles, you worry about you being on the finish line, which is very bad. You feel me? That's why every trader or every professional trader out there, including myself, we always say enjoy your journey, trust the process, enjoy the journey more than the destination. Like enjoy moving instead of you getting there. You understand? So those will worry you because you want to be in the destination to have the things that you need, this $50,000 account, $100 million account, whatever portion, whatever amount that you need. And what is you, man? Like you be like, I have a small account and it's my last dollar. I don't want to lose it. I fear losing it. I'm scared of taking trades, all them type of aspects. You now think of you having everything that you need instead of you thinking of plans which will make you get the things that you need. I hope someone understands that, you for me. So trading on your last dollar, man, can be something else. Like shit can like shit fucks you up because it's your last dollar, man. Like it's your last money under your name. Without it, you nothing. But it's actually not like that, man. Trading on your last dollar, man, you need to be patient. You need to learn patience with it. You need to learn discipline with it, which is most important. You need to learn to believe in your setups and stop doubting your setups. You need to remove, yeah, the fear that you have. You need to get over it, man, and start being positive and not being scared. You need to be confident in a losing trade, and you need to be positive, and you need to be confident in a winning trade. And the other thing is, you need to trade like you have more than what you think that is. What I actually mean is, trade that account like it's a big ass account, you feel me? Like you disciplined with it, you committed with it, you positive with it, you managing your risk, you patient with it, you doing everything that you need to be doing so that account can grow and be what you need it to be. Like I have live trading sessions, which they were from part 1 up and until part 10, where I took a 50 rand account, which is probably like $8, nah, less, I think like $2, nah, five five okay, five, I think it's $5, five for $4, which I took a five for $4 account all the way to a 200 account. Now, was it 200? Okay, I don't know, but I took a 50 rand account all the way to 500 rands. I had the patience, I had the discipline, I had the commitment, I had the positivity, I was confident, I was accepting my risk, I was accepting my loss, and I was grateful of the small profits which I was making. At the end of the day, or at the end of the challenge, I did get the 500 rands which I was looking for. So, like I say, it's a small account, but it brings so much than what you can think of. You feel me? Okay, imagine if you can't handle. Think of this: you can't handle a $50, you can't handle $100 account, but you say you can handle $1,000 account. You scared of losing money in a $50 in $100 account. How the fuck are you gonna stay positive in $1,000 account? Those are some questions which you guys need to ask yourselves, and those are some questions which you guys need to overcome, and those are some questions which we need to debate on as traders. You feel me? So, what's it like trading on your last dollar? It's hell. It's hell. But at the end of the day, it will grow you to being the most professional and disciplined trader. If you treat that account very well, it will bring greatness, and it will bring big and good momentum and good results in your trading. It's your boy Harlem, man. It's your boy Harlem. It's your boy Harlem. I was waiting, like I've been waiting on doing this type of psychology video, man. So that's all I got, man, on this video, man. That's all I got. I'm out.